Let's talk about unpredictability solutions for Agentic AI. If Agentic AI is powerful because it is unpredictable or stochastic in nature, and that's what giving it more power, how do you make sure it still delivers reliable outcomes? Here is what we have learned working with enterprise teams. Stochastic doesn't mean out of control, it just means flexible. But that flexibility needs boundaries. Here are three design moves that makes all the differences, and the very first point is temperature controls. Think of this as the creativity dial. If you have a low temperature, that means it is more precise and more predictable. And we can use it for legal contract drafting, maybe for reporting purposes or compliance reasons. Higher temperature means more varied and it is more imaginative. Great for brainstorming, ideation, experimentation, or other creative tasks. Second thing that can be considered is task routing by risk level. Not every workflow needs the same level of control. Route low risk tasks to high creativity agents, keep critical tasks on the deterministic track. Third one is output validation layers. For high stakes use cases, add a layer of review. Human in the loop, logic checks, or structured templates. This is how enterprises are getting the best of both worlds. Smart, adaptive agents with reliable business outcomes. In case you are looking forward to building your AI agents, we'll be happy to assist you. Reach out to hello@datacoach.io for more details.